This is the Ubuntu desktop running inside VMware Workstation. Before we continue, let's quickly check that everything is working. Open the terminal. First, check internet connectivity by ping google.com. If you see replies, Ubuntu has network access inside the virtual machine. Next, confirm system updates. Ubuntu connects to its official repositories, confirming the system is healthy. Now verify virtualization. If the output shows VMware, that confirms Ubuntu is running inside a virtual machine. Everything checks out. Ubuntu is fully functional, running correctly in VMware and ready to use. In this video, we're going to download Ubuntu Linux and install it on VMware Workstation step by step. No prior Linux experience is needed. By the end of this video, you will have Ubuntu running safely inside your Windows PC as a virtual machine. Before we begin, make sure you have 3 things. 1. A working Windows PC. 2. An internet connection. And 3. VMware Workstation already installed. If VMware is not installed yet, download and install VMware Workstation Pro first. Then come back to this video. Open your web browser and go to ubuntu.com. From the top menu, click on Download. Then select Ubuntu Desktop. You will see the latest long-term support version, also known as LTS. LTS versions are more stable. Click Download, and the Ubuntu ISO file will start downloading. The file is usually around 4 to 5 gigabytes, so wait for the download to finish completely. Once the download is done, remember the folder where the ISO file is saved. We will need it shortly. Now open VMware Workstation. On the home screen, click File, then create a new virtual machine. Choose Typical, Recommended, and click Next. On the new virtual machine wizard, select Installer Disk Image File, ISO. Remember where the download file was saved. Click Browse. Locate the Ubuntu ISO file you downloaded. Select it, and click Open. VMware will automatically detect Ubuntu. Click Next to continue. Here, VMware will ask for Ubuntu setup details. Enter a full name. Enter a username. Set a password, which is optional, then confirm it. These details will be used to log in to Ubuntu later. After entering the information, click Next. Give your virtual machine a name. For example, Ubuntu on VMware. Choose where to store the virtual machine files, or leave the default location. Click Next. Now set the virtual disk size. A minimum of 20 gigabytes is recommended, but 40 gigabytes or more is better if you plan to install software later. Choose Store Virtual Disk as a single file for better performance. Set memory, RAM, to at least 4 gigabytes if your system allows. Set processors to 2 cores or more for smoother performance. Once done, click Close. Then click Finish. Once the virtual machine starts, you'll see the Ubuntu welcome screen. Click Install Ubuntu icon located at the bottom of the pop-up screen. Select your preferred language. Then click Next. Choose your keyboard layout. For most users, the default selection is fine. Click Next. On the Connect to the Internet screen. Since this installation is running inside a virtual machine, leave it set to wired connection. Then click Next. For updates and other software, select Skip Updates for now. We'll update Ubuntu once installation is fully complete. Click Skip. Click Install Ubuntu. On the Installation Type screen, select Interactive Installation. Then click Next. Choose Default Applications. Then click Next. On the Proprietary Software screen, ignore all options and click Next. If any option is selected, make sure you have an active internet connection because Ubuntu will start downloading files before the installation begins. For disk setup, select Erase entire hard drive. This will only affect the virtual disk created by VMware and will not touch your physical computer. Click Next. Now enter the computer name. Create your username. And set a password. Confirm the password. Then click Next. Select your time zone based on your current location. Then click Next. At this point, you are almost finished with the installation wizard. Review the summary and click Install to begin installing Ubuntu. Ubuntu will now download and install the operating system. This may take several minutes, depending on your system performance. I'll fast forward the video until the installation completes. Once installation finishes, click Restart Now. After the system restarts, select the user account you created and enter your password to log in. You are now logged into Ubuntu, running smoothly inside VMware Workstation. You've successfully downloaded Ubuntu, installed it on a virtual machine, and completed the setup without affecting your Windows host system. This setup is perfect for learning Linux, testing applications, running development tools, or practicing system administration in a safe environment. If this video helped you, like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more step-by-step IT tutorials.